Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can put this one into secant of s squared and secant of s squared. Next, we have the formula in here. Secant of s squared equals to 1 plus tan s squared. Now, we need to change this one into this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of s squared ds. Next, we have u to the power of 3 over 2. This one we have u squared. This one we change by du. So this one multiplied by number 1 and u squared. So number 2 plus 3 over 2, we have 7 over 2. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here and here. So this one we have 5 over 2. This one we have 5 over 2. This one we have 9 over 2. This one we have 9 over 2. About u, that is about tan s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.